First, we need to write an exponential form, just like we practiced in examples 1 and 2. Looks like the base is 3, the exponent is y, and the log will be set equal to x. Alright, we've gone over it a few times, so some stuff might not be repeated. I might just go straight for the jugular and just say what the answers are in some situations. Okay, so 3 is going to be regular size 3. Y equals is going to be the exponent y, and x is going to be equal x. Actually, that one thing, just because this is the first problem, I'll repeat it. Alright, small base 3 is going to be regular b, small base b is going to be regular 3, small base b is going to be regular 3, y equals is going to be exponents y, y equals is going to be exponents y, y equals is going to be exponent y, and the x at the end is going to be equals x, the x at the end is going to be equals x, the x at the end is going to be equals x, or the x of the log is going to be equals x. And we're just going to get rid of f of x, get rid of f of x, and get rid of x of x. And bam, 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 rewriting an exponential form, rewriting an exponential form, rewriting an exponential form. Bam, 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 bam. Alright. Bam, bam, bam. Alright. Oh, that was it for that part. Alright, plug in values for y, not x, to find some ordered pairs for y. Whoa, but not x. And then we're going to get a bunch of ordered pairs. Alright, I found that the best way to do this is to do it the same each time. In other words, put in the same values for y each time, and then find its corresponding x value for the given function. Keep putting in y, keep putting in y, keep putting in y, you automatically going to get x. You automatically going to get x. You automatically going to get x. Alright. The first two columns just show what values we are going to plug in for y. The last three columns show the corresponding values for x and y for a given function. So column, 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 column. Values for y, values for y, values for y, x value, x value, x value. But you don't start out with this. You got to do a whole bunch of solving on this side, and then you're going to get all these x's. Okay. And plug in for y. So remember, bam, 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 bam. And in this, we're just going to switch to x position, switch to x position, switch to x position. But all in all, this is how we're going to start getting x's. All this is just to find the x value. You don't start out with these. You just got this when you started solving this. But pretend you see everything here except for the x values. Okay? Alright. Now, where we stop? Alright. Oh. I don't remember if I read this, but I'm reading this anyway. Alright, the last three columns show the curve. Oh, yeah, I did. Alright, anyway. Alright, so let's start. Let's just plug in a random number for y. So for y, we're going to start with -2, -2, -2, -2. And -2 is going to come in for y. Bam, 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 -2. Bam, 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 -2. Bam, 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 -2. Now let's pause. Okay. I think we have enough time to do one. Alright. X equals 3 to the -2 power equals 1/2. 1/9. Hold up. Okay, so 3 to the -2 power, 3 to the -2 power, 3 to the -2 power is going to give you 1/9. This is going to give you 1/9. This is going to give you 1/9. This is going to give you a 1/9. And this is just repeating y is -2. This is repeating y is -2. This is just repeating. Random information, random information, random information. Bam, x equals 1/9. See? 1/9. Oh! Is x, 1/9 is x, 1/9 is x. And then that has given us this x. Bam, x. Bam, x. Bam, x. And now we have the x value and the y value. Y. Oops. Y. And that's basically how you do the first one. And now we're just going to practice a bit faster as we go through. But hold up real quick. Alright, yeah, that's the end of that video.